and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm about to head out to do some grocery shopping. I'm not sure yet if I want to go to Aldi or Walmart. I know I have to go to Walmart to pick up something for Hayden's birthday tomorrow. So I kind of want to get my groceries there, but at the same time, I know I can do a lot better at Aldi. So we will see. You guys know probably by the title of this video. But anyway, so I'm headed out to do my groceries today. I thought I'd kind of bring y'all along and we'll just shop together for our groceries and then we'll come back and I'll show you the haul. Also, I do have a meal plan. This week's meal plan is totally quick, easy, just like I thought of it within 5 minutes, just sitting down thinking of easy stuff because our whole entire downstairs is torn up. It is ridiculous. We're having our cabinets painted at the moment and we have no cabinets on, of course, no faces of our drawers on. We have junk everywhere. We're also redoing our dining room table and our whole dining room and our sunroom. So literally everything is a mess. So I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to be, so honestly I don't know how much I'm gonna be in the kitchen this week going into next week. So I just made a super easy meal plan. So yeah, I'll show y'all the meal plan and then let's go ahead and head to whichever grocery store that we end up at. All right, y'all, like I said, I did this very quickly, so forgive my messy handwriting. I know people will ask, I'll go ahead and tell you, this little meal planner came from Amazon. I will try my best to link it below. Sometimes I'm horrible at remembering to link things, but I will link this below. By the way, I have created my Amazon store. You guys, if you want to go check that out, it has all my favorite things. Anyway. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go down to Wednesday. I have these two switched because I accidentally wrote it in the wrong spot. But tonight we're going to be doing some grilled pork chops and green bean casserole. I just remembered I need to get some pork chop marinade, which is Allegro. That's our favorite marinade, so I'm going to pick that up at Walmart. We're going to have pork chops and green bean casserole tonight. Tomorrow I just put down tacos and probably a Mexican cauliflower rice. Saturday, that is melt in your mouth chicken. I do have a whole video on that if you want to see what that's about. It's super easy, just chicken breast with Parmesan cheese and cream cheese and seasonings melted on top, and it's delicious. Probably with some corn and zucchini. I know I didn't spell that right. Sunday, pintos and cornbread. I just love having that on my meal plan, y'all. It's so easy and it's just delicious and cheap and good. So Monday, spaghetti and salad. And then Tuesday, oh, I forgot to go back up to Thursday. Anyway, Tuesday, hot dogs, baked beans, our favorite baked beans, and then some kind of vegetable. Wednesday night, like I said, it's tonight we're doing the pork chops. So tomorrow night, which is Hayden's birthday, y'all, this is what she requested. She requested gravy biscuits and then chocolate cake. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up her cake tonight probably, or today, and everything to do that. And probably some fruit with that. So at Walmart I need to get her cake, and I might get that at Sam's, I'm not sure. And then I got her gift up here at the top of my little shopping list. It's something that she wants and I just got to get it at Walmart. So let's go ahead. I know I need to go to Walmart, so I guess we will just head there first. Question of the day: what are your kiddos going to be for Halloween? Do they know yet? Let me know in the comments.
I've never been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free.
We are finally back home. It's actually after 5 o'clock now. I'm tired. I've been gone ever since we chatted earlier. I left, went to go grocery shopping, found a new store that just opened today, and I spent quite a while in there just browsing around, and I had to hurry with the groceries. I came home, threw all the cold stuff in the fridge, and then went straight to pick up the kids from school, and then had some more errands after that. So I'm back home. I got everything back out of the fridge that was cold in there, everything like that. And I put all the groceries up here. So now let me show you everything I got. Okay, so we ended up at Walmart today. I got a pretty good sized little haul. All this junk over here, y'all see this junk everywhere. This is the aftermath of house being, I don't know, not renovated, but whatever you call it, redecorated. Okay, so went to Walmart, spent about $100. Pretty good for everything that I got. First, we'll start with the meat. Big pack of pork chops. We're getting ready to have that tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and throw those in some marinade in just a second. Got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I like to get the Tyson brand. I used to buy the big Walmart pack, but I don't know, I've just gotten weirder about stuff. Anyway, got some bacon. Let's see. I kind of got stuff everywhere out of order since I'm trying to hurry and do this. Got some smoked ham and smoked turkey for lunches. I got some sausage for the sausage gravy biscuits that Hayden wants to have for her birthday dinner. She actually doesn't want sausage in hers, so I just got 1 pound to make, you know, a separate pot. I know Darren and everything will like to have sausage with their biscuits. I got these hot dogs for one night. We were planning on having hot dogs, and usually I get the Oscar Mayer kind, the all beef bun length kind, but these are bun length, no nitrates, no fillers. And so I thought we would give them a shot. I always see Fallon from Moss Family TV buy these, so thought we'd go ahead and give those a try. Come back around this way. Just the biscuit gravy mix. I could make my own, but y'all, I'm making it easy on myself. And so I got some packets of that to go with our biscuits and gravy tomorrow night. Got just 1 pound of pinto beans, some finely shredded Parmesan cheese. Okay, I saw this. This is not new, but it just sounded really good at the time. Cinnamon, sugar, butter, just for like some toast or something like that for breakfast. Sounds so good. So got that. Got some orange rolls. Darren has been grilling cinnamon rolls on his flat top grill, making them basically into like cinnamon roll pancakes, and they're delicious. So I thought he might want to try the orange flavor. I thought that sounded really good. Got a thing of the riced cauliflower, which has been in the fridge. I need to go ahead and pop that in the freezer. Got 3 things of the jumbo biscuits. Just got the Great Value kind. All right, another question of the day. Another one. We have 2 questions of the day. First, what's your kid gonna eat for Halloween? Second, what kind of biscuits do you like? You know what? I just realized I did this and I did not do it on purpose. But how ironic that I'm sitting here talking about it. Okay, Darren does not like flaky biscuits. I do. So that is so funny. I got 2 jumbo, the big buttermilk fluffy kind, and 1 can of flaky. Wow. My angels, my biscuit angels were really looking out for me. They really wanted me to have those flaky biscuits. Happy about that. Anyway, so tell me which one y'all like. Okay, got some sour cream, got some cream cheese, I got some eggs that I accidentally left out in my car all day. I'm so disappointed about that. I might see if I can return them. I don't know, that might be bad of me, but I'll tell them of course I did that. Anyway, got some thin spaghetti noodles for spaghetti one night, and then our favorite is just the ragu traditional. I forgot to mention the mushrooms back there. That's what those are for. I added those in with just our regular spaghetti last time, and it was really good. So thought we'd do that again. I needed some more chicken bouillon cubes, so got those. Hot dog buns for our hot dog night. Got some Kool-Aid jammers. This is our favorite like microwave popcorn. Went ahead and got a box of that. This is the kind of beans I use for my baked bean recipe, just the Van Camp's pork and beans. Our marinade for the pork chops. I was out of white vinegar, so I just got some more of that. This is Hayden's chocolate cake with chocolate icing. It looks really good, and this will be plenty for us. Just our little family eating tomorrow. And then of course a pink glittery number 5 for her birthday. Got her 1 Lunchable. Got some Oreo snacks for the kids to take to school. And then I got the Lay's stacks. I never bought these, but they are cheaper than Pringles, and I'm sure the kids will like them. So just got the cheddar ones in that, and then just original Pringles, and then just a big bag of variety chips for lunch boxes. And then we do have some fruits and produce left. That's why there's like not hardly any produce in this grocery haul. So I got some mandarin orange cups, and then just some cinnamon applesauce, and then a bag of tortilla chips. I really like the thin tortilla chips, but they were out of those, so I just got the bite size. So that's everything that I got for about $100. Not too bad. So that's gonna be it for today. So don't forget, tell me, what's your kiddo gonna be for Halloween? If they know yet. Mine do, of course. They know in like, I don't know, March. And tell me, do you like flaky biscuits or the big fluffy biscuits better? All right, so I hope everybody's doing great, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.